This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can find and adjust the EXP settings in this drone. So, at the start, open the camera view of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings by tapping at these three dots you'll find to your top right. Now select the first category of settings, that is the MC settings. Scroll this page all the way down, enter the advanced settings category, and then select the EXP. And now you can manage and adjust the EXP preferences or the EXP graph for throttle up and down, rotate right and left, and forward right and backward left movements, just by moving this circle and, well, adjusting those graphs or charts. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.